In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to edit the footer in ActiveCampaign. This is a straightforward task, but getting it right can really enhance the professional look of your emails. Whether you want to include a custom message, update company details, or add a touch of style, we'll cover how to do it step by step. First, let's begin by navigating to the Settings section in ActiveCampaign. You'll find the Settings option at the bottom left corner of your dashboard, represented by a gear icon. Clicking on this will take you to an area where you can manage various aspects of your account, from integrations to appearance. Since we're focusing on changing the footer specifically, what we're interested in here is altering the appearance of our emails. Now that you're in the Settings menu, look for the option labeled Appearance. This is where you can modify the visual components of your emails. Once you click on Appearance, you'll be presented with a series of options related to your email configuration. It's here that ActiveCampaign allows you to customize how your emails look, making sure they are both engaging and aligned with your brand's image. As you scroll through the appearance settings, you'll want to find the section titled Email Headers and Footers. This is a crucial part of your email's design. Headers and footers frame your content and can carry important information, so modifying these can significantly impact how your emails are perceived by recipients. Now you have the option to choose between an HTML header, a text header, and/or footer. Depending on what you want to achieve, you can enter either HTML or simple text. HTML allows for greater customization. You can format colors, include logos, or even add links. If you're comfortable using HTML, there are many creative solutions you can explore. However, if you're looking for something simpler, you can opt for just plain text. This might include something like your company's contact information, a brief message, or any compliance-related text. After you've entered your desired HTML or text into the header or footer sections, it's important to ensure your changes are saved. So, to apply the modifications, scroll down and click on Save Settings. This action will update your email configuration to reflect your new footer, ensuring that going forward, every email you send will have the custom footer you've just created. Double-check to make sure everything appears exactly as you intended. And that wraps up our tutorial on editing the email footer within ActiveCampaign. By taking control of your email appearance, you enhance your brand's consistency and professionalism. Remember, first impressions matter, and every detail counts. We hope this tutorial empowers you to make your emails even more effective and engaging. If you have any questions or need further assistance, feel free to reach out in the comments below. Thanks for watching, and happy emailing.